This is shed number 12. Now over here we are planning to keep the alcohol tank. The alcohol tank we are going to keep in this area over here. This is the door. Behind that door is Bakur and other section. Over here in this area, that is the toilet over there. In this area we are planning to keep the alcohol tank. We do not want to block this door. Now going inside this area, here we have Bakur and other facility. Now we will go to the other room where we have to keep the vessels. एक मिनट भाई. Now this is the area which is connecting shed number 12 and shed number 10. This is part B1 where I am, and now we are going into this is part B2. Now we are going to part B2 of the other shed. This is connecting B2. Both the beats are of the same area. And now over here, this is where we are planning to keep the vessels, in this area on my right. This entire length, as you can see, this is where we will be keeping our vessels and XY system and chiller and everything. Behind this is the alcohol room. Exactly behind this. And on this side we will have one filling line. On the left we will have a filling line. As you can already see, they have made some piping, but it is of plastic. So they are facing problems with all of this situation over here. Now going straight from here, this is shed number 10 part B1, and before this we saw shed number 10 part B2. Now this is shed number 10 part A. In part A over here we will have one filling line on the left, and exactly on the right is identical where we will have the second filling line. As you can see that they bought some 8-head machine. ये किधर का है मशीन? इंडिया का है ना? पाकिस्तान का. Okay, as you can see that they had bought some 8-head filling machine. ये फ्रेंच है ना, Vetromo का. This is a French filling machine, Vetromo, and similarly they had bought a machine from Pakistan, 8-head filling machine. अभी काम कर रहा है वो? सही काम कर रहा है? सही काम कर रहा है? And they have some manual lines with which they are filling from 2-head. Over here again they have one more filling line. Over here they have one more filling line, in which they also have a 2-head machine over here. And this is where they are shrinking. This is some new kind of a product which is very hit in the market right now. Now I will take you outside of this shed. As we can see that we have a very good space over here, from here we can bring the alcohol tank and then take it on this side, and then from behind we can bring the tank inside at the back of the shed. So this is shed number 10. And we saw both part A, part B1 and part B2. Now I will show you the back area from where we can take the alcohol tank. From here, or maybe directly from the back also we can bring the tank. Behind this there is a very big open ground from where they are already loading their material, so we can take the alcohol tank directly from there as well. They have a total of 3 sheds over here. All of them are of the same size, and on every shed on top they are having warehousing. They are storing their raw materials and everything on the top. Now we will go to the other room, that is shed number 10. Yeah, this is the other room where This door is connecting both the rooms, and as you can see that this machine is not in a working condition. It is not working currently. And over here they are doing their overwrapping. They currently have two Solas S20, I think it is. Yeah, they are the Solas S20, and they are going to buy two more new Solas S20s for their overwrapping and everything. Behind this, as you can see over here, there is a small administrative office over here. This area, that is the small administrative office. And straight ahead, as we can see, there is the oil and fragrance storage room, which I will show to you. And they also have Indian machine over here. Maybe I think it is Jetpack, or the name says Phoenix, but I think this is a Jetpack machine. Yes, over here they have their fragrance storing room, and this is another Indian machine. I think this one is also Jetpack. So yes, all in all, they are looking for 4 new filling lines which are going to be located in those sheds as I have shown, and they want to refurbish 2 of the other lines. Alright.